In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pair fonts in Canva for clean and professional designs. Font pairing is one of the simplest ways to make your work look polished, and it all comes down to creating contrast and hierarchy so people know exactly what to read first and what to read next. Start by opening any Canva design you're working on. It could be a social post, a presentation slide, or a flyer. With your design open, click on your main heading text. This is the line you want people to notice immediately. Choose a bold, confident font for this heading. The goal is impact. A strong weight, a clear shape, and a style that fits your brand or message will instantly set the tone. Think of your heading as the hero, big, attention-grabbing, and easy to read at a glance. Next, add or select the body text that sits below the heading. This is where readers spend time, so comfort matters. Choose a simple, highly readable font for this body copy. Clean sans serifs or classic serifs work well because they don't compete with the heading. They support it. You're looking for an easy rhythm on the eye, nothing fussy, nothing overly stylized. If your heading has personality, your body font should provide clarity. Now keep one font bold and one font clean. This contrast is what creates hierarchy without chaos. If your heading is heavy or distinctive, keep the body text lighter and more neutral. Avoid pairing two decorative fonts or two similar weights. That can make the design feel noisy or flat. The best combinations feel different enough to be clear, but similar enough to feel like they belong together. Finally, adjust the font size and spacing to find balance. Make the heading larger so it leads, and set the body text to a comfortable size for reading. Fine-tune line spacing so paragraphs breathe without looking loose. Aim for a consistent, readable rhythm. Adjust letter spacing slightly if needed to improve clarity, and keep the space between your heading and body text consistent so the layout feels intentional. Step back and check the overall balance. If your eye lands on the heading first, then flows naturally to the body text, you've nailed it. Quick tip before we wrap up. Use two fonts only, one for headings and one for body text. This simple rule keeps your design cohesive and professional, no matter the project. That's it. With a bold heading, a clean body font, and thoughtful spacing, your Canva designs will look instantly more polished.